Fruits are nature's candy, delighting our senses with their vibrant flavors and aromas. But have you ever wondered what makes a mango irresistibly sweet, a lemon refreshingly tangy, or a pineapple bursting with tropical aroma? The answer lies in the fascinating science of flavor. Every bite of fruit is a complex interplay of sweetness, acidity, and aroma, driven by unique compounds that shape their taste profiles. From the sugars that define sweetness, to the acids that create a tangy twist, and the volatile compounds responsible for captivating aromas, fruits are a marvel of nature's chemistry. In this journey, we'll dive into the science behind these flavors, exploring the intricate mechanisms that make fruits so irresistible. Whether you're savoring them fresh, baked, or blended, understanding the science of fruit flavors will add a whole new dimension to your appreciation for nature's bounty. Let's unlock the secrets of fruit flavor together. The sweetness factor. Sweetness is one of the most delightful aspects of fruit, captivating our taste buds and making fruits a staple in our diets. This natural sweetness is a result of the sugar sand compounds within the fruit, which vary depending on factors like ripeness, variety, and growing conditions. Let's dive deeper into the science of sweetness and explore what makes each fruit unique. 1. Sugars like fructose and glucose, the foundation of sweetness. Sweetness in fruits primarily comes from natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose. Fructose is the sweetest of these sugars and is responsible for the intensely sugary taste of fruits like honeydew and grapes. Glucose, on the other hand, provides a subtler sweetness and serves as a quick energy source for the body. Together, these sugars create the signature flavor profiles that we associate with fresh, ripe fruits. 2. How ripeness impacts sugar content and sweetness levels. The sweetness of a fruit often increases as it ripens. During this process, starches in the fruit break down into simpler sugars, enhancing the sweet flavor. For example, a green banana tastes starchy and less sweet, while a fully ripened banana is soft and sugary. Environmental conditions like temperature and exposure to sunlight further influence the ripening process and sugar content. 3. Exploring different fruit varieties and their sugar profiles. Different fruits exhibit varying levels of sweetness depending on their natural sugar composition. Mangoes and grapes are known for their high sugar content, making them among the sweetest fruits. Citrus fruits, like oranges and tangerines, balance sweetness with acidity, offering a more nuanced flavor. Berries, such as strawberries and raspberries, have a mix of lower sugar levels and a hint of tartness, creating a unique taste profile. Understanding these differences helps explain why some fruits are indulgent treats, while others offer a more balanced sweetness. The tangy twist. Acidity. Acidity is what gives many fruits their refreshing and tangy quality, creating a vibrant contrast to their sweetness. This zingy flavor not only enhances the overall taste of fruits, but also plays a vital role in their preservation and appeal. Let's explore the science behind acidity and its impact on fruit flavor. 1. The role of citric acid, malic acid, and other acids in fruits owe their tangy flavor to organic acids like citric acid, malic acid, and tartaric acid. Citric acid, abundant in citrus fruits like lemons and limes, is responsible for their sharp, sour taste. Malic acid, found in apples, cherries, and berries, provides a crisp, tart flavor that's milder than citric acid. Tartaric acid, present in grapes and tamarinds, adds a unique sourness, often associated with wine flavors. These acids not only contribute to taste, but also act as natural preservatives, slowing down spoilage and extending the shelf life of fruits. 2. How acidity contributes to the refreshing taste of fruits. Acidity activates the salivary glands, enhancing the perception of juiciness and making fruits feel more hydrating and refreshing. The tangy punch from fruits like pineapples, kiwis, and passion fruit is particularly satisfying, especially in warm weather, as it provides a cooling effect while invigorating the palate. 3. Understanding the balance between sweetness and acidity. The interplay between sweetness and acidity is what makes fruits truly enjoyable. A ripe mango balances high sugar content with a touch of acidity, creating a rich, layered flavor. Green apples, which are more acidic, have a crisp, tart taste compared to the sweeter, milder flavor of red apples. This balance is also why fruits are versatile in culinary uses, as their sweet tangy profiles complement both savory and sweet dishes. The aromatic journey. The aroma of a fruit is often the first sensory cue that hints at its flavor. These delightful scents are created by complex combinations of volatile compounds which vary across fruit types and ripeness levels. Aromas are not just a pleasant aspect of fruits. They're fundamental to how we experience their flavor. 1. The complex interplay of volatile compounds and aromas. Volatile organic compounds are responsible for the unique aromas of fruits. These include esters, which provide fruity, sweet scents in bananas and strawberries. Terpenes, responsible for the citrusy fragrance of oranges and lemons. Sulfur compounds, which give durians their polarizing, pungent smell. The specific blend and concentration of these compounds define a fruit's aroma and can even signal its ripeness or freshness. 2. Exploring how aromas influence our perception of flavor. A significant portion of what we perceive as flavor comes from aroma. When we bite into a fruit, volatile compounds are released and detected by olfactory receptors in the nose. This sensory input, combined with taste, creates a complete flavor experience. For instance, the sweet aroma of a ripe peach enhances its perception of sweetness. The floral scent of lychee adds to its exotic flavor profile. Without aroma, the flavor of fruits would be far less vibrant, as demonstrated when our sense of smell is reduced during a cold. 3. Examples of fruits with unique and captivating aromas. Mangoes, known for their rich tropical scent, thanks to compounds like lactones. Pineapples. Their bright aroma comes from esters that amplify their sweetness. Passion fruit, a strong, exotic aroma with floral and tangy notes. Durian, a divisive fruit with a powerful scent due to sulfur compounds loved by some and avoided by others. These unique aromas not only elevate the fruit-eating experience, but also make fruits indispensable in perfumery and flavoring industries. Unlocking flavor potential. The flavors of fruits can be enhanced or altered through cooking, processing, and storage. By understanding these processes, we can unlock new dimensions of flavor and make the most of the fruits we consume. 1. How cooking, processing, and storage impact fruit flavor. Cooking and heat releases sugars and intensifies the flavor, such as when caramelizing pears or grilling pineapples. However, prolonged cooking can also degrade volatile compounds, muting the fruit's aroma. Processing methods like drying, fermenting, or freezing concentrate flavors, making dried apricots or frozen berries taste richer and more intense. Storage. Temperature affects ripening and flavor. For example, refrigerating strawberries helps retain freshness, but may reduce aroma, while bananas ripen better at room temperature, enhancing their sweetness. 2. Tips for maximizing flavor and freshness in your fruits. Buy fruits in season for peak flavor and freshness. Store fruits properly, refrigerate berries and citrus, but let bananas and avocados ripen at room temperature. Wash fruits gently and avoid cutting them until ready to eat to preserve their aroma and nutrients. 3. Enjoying fruit in its various forms, from fresh to jams to desserts. Fresh. Relish the natural flavors and textures of ripe fruits. Jams and preserves concentrate fruit flavors for spreads that complement bread, cheese, or desserts. Desserts. Use fruits in pies, tarts, or sorbets to create indulgent treats. Drinks. Enjoy fruits in smoothies, juices, or cocktails for a refreshing twist. By experimenting with preparation and storage, you can enhance the flavors of fruits and enjoy them in diverse and delicious ways. From the sweetness of ripe mangoes to the tangy zing of citrus and the enchanting aromas of tropical fruits, every bite is a testament to nature's flavorful artistry. By understanding the science behind these tastes, we can better appreciate the fruits we enjoy daily. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating dives into the world of science and flavor. See you in the next video.